My cat sneezed ACHOO one sunny day. The papers flew and zoomed away. My homework danced across the floor, then slipped right out the classroom door. It landed high upon a tree. The cat just smiled and laughed with glee. He sneezed again, ACHOO, ACHOO. My spelling words went whoosh and zoo. The teacher laughed and said, how neat, that cat of yours has clever feet. Next time